Homemade organic fertilizer for plants can be done in various ways, utilizing natural ingredients that are easy to obtain. Some examples are compost from organic waste, liquid fertilizer from rabbit urine or coconut water, and fertilizer from coffee grounds or eggshells. Liquid fertilizer from dried banana peels can be made by soaking dried banana peels in water for several days. This soaking water then becomes a liquid fertilizer that is rich in potassium, which is beneficial for the growth of flowers and fruits. In addition, dried banana peels can also be processed by blending and fermenting with sugar solution and stimulating bacteria such as EM4, then diluting before being used as fertilizer. Coffee grounds, or coffee grounds, can be a beneficial natural fertilizer for plants. Coffee grounds contain nutrients such as nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium, which plants need to thrive. In addition, coffee grounds can also help maintain soil moisture and repel certain pests. Benefits of coffee grounds for plants. Natural fertilizer. Coffee grounds are rich in nutrients that plants need to grow, making them a good natural fertilizer. Increase soil acidity. Coffee grounds can help lower soil pH, making them suitable for plants that prefer acidic conditions such as roses, azaleas, and rhododendrons. Pest prevention. Coffee grounds can repel pests such as slugs and snails. Repel pests. The caffeine in coffee grounds can deter plant pests. Compost. Coffee grounds can be processed into compost, which can then be used as fertilizer. Mulch. Dried coffee grounds can be used as mulch to protect plants and maintain soil moisture. Liquid fertilizer. Coffee grounds mixed with water can be used as liquid fertilizer. Fertilize the soil. Coffee grounds can increase soil fertility and help plant growth. How to make liquid fertilizer from dried banana peels. Soak. Dry the banana peels, then soak them in water for a few days. Fermentation. Dry and mash the banana peels, then mix them with water, sugar, and stimulating bacteria such as M4. Fermentation. Let the mixture sit for a few days until fermentation occurs. Dilution. Dilute the finished liquid fertilizer with water before use. Benefits of liquid banana peel fertilizer. Rich in potassium. Banana peels contain potassium, which is important for flower and fruit growth. Organic fertilizer. This fertilizer is an environmentally friendly alternative to chemical fertilizers. Reducing waste. Utilizing banana peel waste into useful fertilizer. Increasing fertility. Helps plants grow more fertile and dense. Strengthening stems. Can strengthen plant stems and make them more resistant to disease. Some sources say that banana peels can decompose slowly and may not provide enough nutrients when plants need them. Decaying organic fertilizer can attract pests, such as fruit flies or cockroaches. By following the steps above, you can make liquid fertilizer from dried banana peels that is beneficial for your plants. How to use coffee grounds for plants. Sprinkle directly. Coffee grounds can be sprinkled directly around plants, especially for plants that like acidic soil. Mixed into soil. Mix coffee grounds into the planting medium before planting, with the right ratio, for example, 10% coffee grounds in the planting medium, as liquid fertilizer. Brew coffee grounds with water, then use the brewed water to water the plants. As mulch layer. Sprinkle coffee grounds on the surface of the soil around the plants as a mulch layer to maintain moisture. Things to note. Pay attention to plant types. Some plants do not like acidic soil conditions, so consider your plant type before using coffee grounds. Coffee grounds soaked in water can be used to fertilize plants. The method is to mix used coffee grounds into water, let it soak for a few hours or overnight, then use the water to water the plants. This coffee water can be a natural liquid fertilizer rich in nutrients such as nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium, which are good for plant growth. Organic fertilizer for plant fertility. Improving soil fertility. Organic fertilizer is rich in macro and micronutrients needed by plants, which helps to increase soil fertility naturally. Improving soil structure. Organic fertilizer, such as compost, helps to improve soil structure, making it looser and easier for plant roots to penetrate. Increasing air retention. Soil that is given organic fertilizer has a better ability to hold air, so that plants do not dry out easily. Increasing soil microorganism activity. Organic fertilizer provides food for soil microorganisms that are beneficial to plants. Reducing the use of chemical fertilizers. Organic fertilizers can reduce dependence on chemical fertilizers that can have a negative impact on the environment. Making your own organic fertilizer. You can make your own organic fertilizer from various organic materials such as animal manure, cow, goat, chicken, etc., kitchen waste, vegetable waste, fruit peels, coffee grounds, etc., agricultural waste, straw, rice husks, dry leaves, etc. Paper. Used paper, unlaminated cardboard. Important to note, fermentation. Organic materials need to be fermented before being applied to plants. Fermentation helps break down organic materials into nutrients that are more easily absorbed by plants.